Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we're gonna be looking at this super dope 1/18 scale Cadillac Escalade EXT by the brand Jada. Now this is their Big Ballers edition, which means it's like super customized. It features an opening console, working glove compartment. You got a simulated sound system, speaker system, and then you got storage bins, which pretty much all the 1/18 Escalade EXTs already have. So that in itself is not unique to this, but it's still cool that it's included nonetheless. It also comes with wheels by JTS, 24 inches JTS-1s, which are these right here. But yeah, guys, without further ado, this item is brand new and sealed, so I will have to, once again go into surgery and to cut this tamper-proof tape right here by the great brand Jada. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we got this open. We already cut through this tamper-proof sticker, and so as we go ahead and open the lids up, we got the item out the box, and here we have it. Really nice. I really like the color in this one. It's not necessarily like that blue gold, but it's more like that traditional blue that we've seen on Cadillacs through the years. Just a really nice tone. Almost like a royal blue, I would say. And yeah, guys, this JTS-1 rims do spin. Overall, it's a really nice one, guys. I mean, just check out the way the whole body kits look in comparison to a regular stock one. You got that dub license plate right there at the bottom of the front bumper. Interesting coloring on the headlights too. If you notice, it's almost like they painted a couple of the headlight assembly quadrants into like a yellow, and then they painted like the side almost turn signal one on the side is a little bit bluish too. So really interesting coloring that they chose from the headlights of this one. Other differences that we can see, obvious, we got also the grille, also the motor, guys. I mean, they really went all out with the motor on this one. I mean, the motor is just quite something, to look at. Besides the point that this brand doesn't really do struts, they mainly just do doggy hinges for opening parts. But as far as detailing on the motor, I mean, this is awesome. Yes, some of the hoses are almost attached to that one plastic piece and it's just painted, but I mean, still, it definitely rivals this one, and that's from ERTL on the left. That's that Fast and the Furious edition. Back to the Jada though, like other things I can note on, besides all the chrome, it's almost like you got some cars where the whole motor's one piece and it's painted chrome, but they still look kind of bad, where this actually looks like something you can open up and you notice it looks clean. You know, it really does have that show car, you know, open hood show car motor, polished motor, you know, look to it. So another thing too, guys, that I found different is the windshield wipers. For some reason, the windshield wipers are actually metal and they're one piece stuck to the actual casting, whereas on other models like Ricoh's ESV Escalade or ERTL's Fast and the Furious Escalade EXT, you know, the windshield wipers are a completely separate piece, you know. So I kind of wish that Jada would have done the same thing with their windshield wipers, but it's nothing too bad. I mean, like I said, it's almost like where they threw a bunch of detail on, it's almost like they slacked a little in other places. Alright guys, as you guys can see, the truck rolls very nice, and when you roll and sharp stop it, some of the spinners do stay spinning for a bit. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. Off the bat, we got this like really nice speaker system with some amps. As far as like for passenger seats on the back, you know, there's pretty much no back seats on the back for this one. It's just the speaker system, some amps. Looks really cool. And then the front, you got this nice TV right at the front. You got this chromed out a compartment there on the middle console between the driver and the front passenger. Over here we got like what it looks to be like some Cadillac floor mats. You guys see that chrome on that center console as well. You also got that chrome on the steering wheel and other places of the interior as well on the dash. From the back, those front seats actually got a completely separate piece, chromed out TVs, like a screen simulated on it with a sticker. So yeah, that's definitely a nice touch. You also got the Dub emblem right on the back window of the Escalade, as well as on the gas cap. And then you got the brake light, guys, which again, clear. It looks like some aftermarket tail lights. Now the Cadillac emblem there, I kind of would have wished it would have been a 3D photo etch part, but it's not. It seems like it's just pretty much a decal, and it does seem like it's not under the paint, so it makes me wonder if it'll rub off with some nail polish removing. So I don't know, you guys might want to be careful of that stuff. Maybe certain chemicals not touching that logo or those logos, because they seem like they'll be able to polish off if you use the right you know, chemical on them. But yeah, that truck bed hatch lid does come down, as you guys just saw, and inside is pretty roomy. Also, those panels covering it, you know, the truck bed cover, do come off as well. I have some factory tape on it for the moment, but I just wanted to show you guys right quick some luggage just to show you guys what kind of space you got going on in here in this model. Right there you got my BMW M kidney suitcase. You guys might remember that one from a video, as well as some BBR, Ferrari, Enzo, and F430 luggage sets. So you got all that stuff in there, and we pretty much still have more room, guys. And yeah, guys, now we're just gonna compare it to this other Escalade EXTs I got next to it, and this Escalade ESV from Ricoh. So to the left is basically the EXT from ERTL, Fast and the Furious edition, and then to the right is Ricoh's Escalade ESV. So just to guys show you in size, as far as from EXT to EXT, they look pretty much identically as far as length almost. I would say that maybe the Jada is super tiny by millimeters, tad bit smaller, but other than that, yeah, pretty similar in size, also in width. Now there's a couple more of these. There's the black one, there's the white one, and then there's this one. This one here is really nice one. I just really like this color on Cadillacs. You know, I just think that this color specifically is original to Cadillac. It's not blue gold, but it might be. I know some other Cadillac models I got, it's called blue gold, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly what the name of this is. May have to contact Jada for that to find out exactly what they call it, or even may have to look up the Cadillac page. So yeah, guys, if you guys can see these headlights on the Fast and the Furious edition, you do got a little bit of yellow, but they're definitely painted different. It almost like contrasts very well with the paint. Here we got the Rico ESV. Again, turn signals are more orange on those than they are on the Fast and the Furious. Then also too, we got this dub license plate at the bottom. Really nice grille. Here we got the grille, guys. It seems like it's made out of metal. And then you also got the reef and crest, which is the Cadillac emblem logo right at the center almost. Really like too that on the fog lights at the bottom on the custom bumper, you also don't see any holes or anything like that. So very clean, Jada. I like Jada's products, you know. Obviously they can improve, but the type of things that they chose to make are stuff that I'm really into. So alright guys, now we have the rims right here. As I was mentioning earlier, you got the Spinners ST-1s. So yeah, it's a very nice set of rims that this came with. It almost looks like it's iced out or something like that, you know, with those little things in between the spokes, you know. But yeah guys, in conclusion, the Jada Cadillac EXT 118 scale is a superb model, highly detailed with a ton of cool stuff in it. It's hard to dislike an item like this. If you're a Cadillac fan, you would pretty much just love this the moment you have it. You know, like I said, if you're hesitant about getting into some of these Jadas, maybe they're not up to par with what you're used to, I would say buy one. Start with this one, and I assure you, you're gonna be a fan of Jada's products afterwards. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace!